The name Rwanda has a deep history rooted in the Kinyarwanda language, but its exact meaning is a subject of discussion. There are two primary explanations. One is an authentic local interpretation linked to the concept of a domain or country, while the other is a colonial-era interpretation that framed the name around expansion. Scroll emoji. The authentic meaning, domain or country. Contrary to the colonial narrative, local historians and oral tradition suggest the name refers to the nation itself rather than a political agenda. Meaning domain or realm, the Danish National Encyclopedia, Lex defines the etymology directly from Kinyarwanda, stating that the name Rwanda means domain. This aligns with the indigenous understanding of the country as a defined territory. Evidence from oral tradition. Rwandan poet Sikarama and scholar Gakanisha explained that Rwanda meant either the first ingoma, rain or drum, or simply a country, igihugu. This interpretation is supported by historical evidence of several small territories that existed before the Central Kingdom, all bearing the name Rwanda followed by the name of a notable person, for example, Rwanda Rua Kabeya. This indicates that the word was used as a general term for a political entity or a person's domain, not just a specific expansionist state. Classical building emoji. The colonial interpretation, expansion. The meaning most often cited in Western dictionaries comes from colonial scholars, but this interpretation is controversial. To expand or multiply, the online etymology dictionary and Wiktionary state that the name comes from the Rwanda Rundi word Rwanda, derived from the archaic verb anda, meaning to expand or to multiply. This is also supported by the Kinyarwanda verb kuanda. A politically motivated narrative. Modern Rwandan analysis argues that this meaning was deliberately chosen and promoted by European colonial scholars, like the French priest Louis de Lecce in 1939, to support a specific political narrative. The expansion definition was used to frame the Central Kingdom, Rwanda Rua Gasabo, as a conquering state that expanded outward, supposedly invading territories ruled by Hutu kings. This interpretation helped justify the colonial Hamitic hypothesis, which falsely claimed that Tutsi were a separate, conquering race from the north. Many reject this as a distortion created to divide the Rwandan people. The modern connection. Regardless of its ancient etymology, the name is deeply connected to the country's identity today. Kanyarwanda. Interestingly, the legendary founder of the kingdom, King Gihanga, circa 1081 AD, had a son named Kanyarwanda, a word that signifies both the country of Rwanda and the people themselves, Rwandans. A symbol of unity. While the expansion theory was used to divide, modern Rwanda emphasizes unity. Even the national anthem, Rwanda Nziza, Beautiful Rwanda, and national symbols focus on the country as a homeland rather than any single clan or historical conquest narrative. Are you interested in learning more about how these different historical narratives shape modern Rwandan society?